Assalamu alaikum to all dear students of Metropolitan Foundation School. I hope you all are fine and safe, and we are also fine. Now we are moving towards our next topic, which is in the month of September. Now we are going to start the month of September syllabus. Now I am going to tell you what topic you will learn in the month of September. Topics of the month of September. First, phrasal verb. Second, sentence kind based on meaning. Third, further, verbs, letter, paragraph, tense, past indefinite and past continuous translations. The first month of September is unit number 13, phrasal verb. Now definition of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a multi-word verb made up of a main verb and particle which is most often a preposition or an adverb. Phrasal verb is a verb when we add preposition and adverb with verb, the verb becomes a phrasal verb, and after becoming a verb as a phrasal verb, the meaning of a verb will also change. In our next slide, we will learn some words and verbs with meanings, and when we add phrasal with verb, the meaning of the verb will also change. Now let's see our next slide. We have some words. It means that we have some verbs. First, look. Look means watch करना या फिर देखना. Second, give. It means that to give something to someone. That means that किसी को कोई चीज देना. Third, make. Make means बनाना. Fourth, take. Take means लेना. Fifth, bring means that लाना. Turn means change कर देना या घुमा देना. 7, grow. Grow means बढ़ाना. 8, get. These are the verbs. I told you the meaning of these verbs, but when we put up with these verbs, the meaning will also change. Now let's see. When we add up with look, it means that it is called that look up, and the look up means searching or finding something, and when we add up with look, it becomes a phrasal verb, and you see that the meaning of look will also change, because the meaning of look is watch करना, see करना, देखना. When we add up, it becomes look up, and the meaning of look ups means searching or finding something. For example, can you look up the location on the Google? क्या आप Google के ऊपर ये location को ढूंढ सकते हो? Another example, can you look up this word in the dictionary? क्या आप इस word को dictionary में ढूंढ सकते हो? Now, our next word is give. Give means देना. But when we add up with give, it becomes give up. It has also become a phrasal verb. And the give up means admit defeat. It means that हार मान जाना. For example, he was very brave, but he gave up. वो बहुत बहादुर था पर उसने हार मान ली. Now our next word is make up. Make up, when we make means banana, and when we add up with make, it becomes makeup. Makeup means fabricate, create a fabricated story. Okay. For example, he always makes up some excuses so that he could not be punished. Another example, you had a fight with him last year, so you should make up with him. Make up also means किसी से मान जाना, किसी के साथ बना लेना दोबारा से. ठीक है. मेकअप्स मीन्स जो होते हैं वो एक झूठी चीज या झूठा चेहरा बनाना या फिर किसी के साथ सुलह कर लेने के सेंस मीन्स होता है. अनदर वर्ड इज टेक. टेक मीन्स चूज कर लेना, लेना. व्हेन वी ऐड with take up, it becomes take up. Take up means choose. For example, I took up cricket by 16. I took up cricket at 16. It means that मैंने जो अपना क्रिकेट खेलने का जो पैशन था और अपनी जो प्रोफेशन था वो कब चूज किया था? 16 साल की उम्र में. Now, fifth word is bring. Bring means लेना. ठीक है. When we add with bring up, it becomes bring up, and the meaning of bring up is develop करना. Example, she brings up her children. It means that वो अपने बच्चों की परवरिश करती है. Another example, I will bring up this topic in the next meeting. मैं इस टॉपिक को और मजीद डेवलप करके या मजीद अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करके नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में दिखाऊंगा. ये दिखाऊंगी. Now our next word is turn. Turn means change the direction. Change कर देना, directions को change कर देना. Now when we add up with turn, it means is appear. For example, I was not expecting her to be here, but she turned up. मैं उसे उम्मीद नहीं कर रही थी कि वो यहाँ होगी, मगर वो आ गई. एकदम से अपेयर हो जाना किसी चीज का, एकदम से अपेयर, सडनली अपेयर हो जाना किसी चीज का. Now our seventh word is grow. When we add up with grow, it is also become a phrasal verb. And grow means बढ़ना, develop होना. And grow up means mature हो जाना. Grow up means mature. For example, you should grow up because you are not a kid anymore. अब तुम्हें बड़े हो जाना चाहिए, तुम और मजीद बच्चे नहीं रह सकते. Now our last word is get. Get means हासिल करना. And get up means when we add up with get, the get up means wake up. Okay? For example, you should wake up. You should get up. Okay? Get up means wake up. और इसी के साथ जैसे हमने इन वर्ब्स के साथ अप का यूज किया तो उसके मीनिंग चेंज होगा. इसी तरह अगर हम अप को हटा के अगर आउट यूज कर लें इन वर्ब्स के साथ, तो इसके मतलब चेंज हो जाएंगे और ये फ्रेजल वर्ब भी कहलाएंगे. सो हम एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. लुक आउट. लुक आउट मीन्स देखना. लुक आउट मीन्स मतलब किसी बंदे को, जैसे राह चलते हुए अगर हम चल रहे हैं और हम ये कहें लुक आउट, मतलब मोहतात कर देना किसी चीज से, किसी चीज के बारे में. जैसे लुक आउट, देयर इज अ डॉग, मतलब वहां देखो वहां कुत्ता है. मतलब इट मीन्स कि हम उसे कह रहे हैं कि एहतियात से. ठीक है. नाउ सेकंड वर्ड इज गिव आउट. गिव आउट मीन्स come to an end. It means that to be completed, used up. खत्म हो जाना किसी चीज का. For example, after a month their food supply gave out. Another example, he patients finally gave out. किसी चीज का मुकम्मल तौर पर खत्म हो जाना. Third word is make out. Make out means understand or hear. For example, I cannot make out what she said. मुझे समझ नहीं आया उसने क्या कहा. Take out means निकालना किसी चीज को. ठीक है. Take out your pen. अपना पेन निकालो. Take out your copy. Take out your shirt. Example, I would like to take your one piece of bag. Another example, I would like to take you out. जब हम किसी को बाहर ले जाने की बात करें ना, किसी से तुम मेरे साथ बाहर चलो, मैं तुम्हें बाहर लेकर जाऊंगा, तो बाहर लेकर जाऊंगी या बाहर लेकर जाऊंगा, सो उसके लिए भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं, टेक आउट. पर टेक आउट जो होता है वो अलग अलग यूज किया जाता है. टेक अलग यूज किया जाएगा, उसके लिए आउट अलग यूज किया जाएगा. जैसे कि मैंने अपने सेंटेंस में कहा आप लोगों से, आई वुड लाइक टू टेक यू आउट, मैं तुम्हें बाहर लेकर जाना चाहती हूँ. सो मैंने क्या यूज करा, आई वुड लाइक टू टेक यू आउट. आई यूज टेक एंड फिर उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, प्रोनाउन यूज किया और उसके बाद आउट का यूज किया. इसी तरीके से टेक आउट, अगर टेक पहले यूज करें, उसके बाद प्रोनाउन यूज करें, उसके बाद आउट यूज करें, तो वो किसी को ले जाने के सेंस में यूज किया जाता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद है हमारा फिफ्थ वर्ड है ब्रिंग आउट. ब्रिंग आउट मीन्स टू फाइंड न्यू थिंग, लाइक दिस कंपनी और लॉन्चिंग समथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस कंपनी हैज ब्रॉट आउट न्यू फोन. उस कंपनी ने अपना यानी कि न्यू फोन को लॉन्च किया है. Sixth word is turn out. Turn out means conclusion. Conclusion in, for example, it turns out to be a great movie. It turns out to be a great proof. Another example, he turned out as a good child. टर्न आउट के जो मीनिंग्स होते हैं वो एक गुड सेंस के अंदर, एक ग्रेट सेंस के अंदर यूज होता है. जो इसका एंड होता है, इख्तिताम होता है, वो एक ग्रेट सेंस के अंदर यूज किया जाता है. मतलब जो इसका इख्तिताम हो वो एक अच्छे सेंस के अंदर होना चाहिए. द सेवेंथ वर्ड इज ग्रो आउट. ग्रो आउट मीन डिसअपियर हो जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉन्टेड टू बी अ फुटबॉलर बट ही ग्रो आउट ऑफ इट. मतलब वो फुटबॉलर बनना चाहता था पर उसने वो चीज छोड़ दी या वहां से चले गया. द एट वर्ड इज गेट आउट. गेट आउट तो हम सब यूज करते हैं. गेट आउट मीन्स चले जाओ यहाँ से, दफा हो जाओ. सो इस सेंस के अंदर यूज किया जाता है कि जब हम किसी को बोलते हैं ना, बस यार अब यहाँ से चले जाओ, सो गेट आउट फ्रॉम हियर. आई सेड टू हर दैट यू शुड गेट आउट फ्रॉम हियर. I think you should understand this word. This is when we add with verb, when we add preposition or adverbs with verb, it becomes a phrasal verb. Now come to the page number 71. Exercise number A. Question: fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal verb from the box. You may use them more than once. First, Sikandar dash his work earnestly and finish it in time. We put set to because set to means energetically. Start energetically. Sikandar start his work energetically and finish it in time. The meaning of earnestly is दिल खोल कर. Second, he dash his own business in the suburb of the city. We put set up because set up means establish oneself. He set up his own business in the suburb of the city. It means that he established his business by his own. Third, his brother dash on a voyage around the globe. We put set out because the meaning of set out is begin journey. His brother set out on a voyage around the globe. Fourth, a harsh winter has dash earlier than usual. Set in means begin. It means that the winter has a start begin earlier than usual. Fifth, the travelers were dash on a gun of thefts near the isolated highway. Set on means attacked. The travelers were attacked by a gun of themselves near the isolated highway. This exercise is finished. Now open the page number 72 and 73 on your book. You have on the page number 73 a chart with phrasal verb list with their meanings and examples. The exercise number C, which is on the page number 73, this exercise is solved by these phrasal verbs which is given on the page number 72. Now we are going to start the page exercise number C. Exercise number C, fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal verb from the list given on page number 72. You should also focus page number 72, and you have many phrasal verbs on the page number 72. You should learn it and try to use them in a sentence. Now we are going to start the exercise number C. The first sentence in the exercise number C is, the old structure was dashed to build a shopping mall. We pull down. The meaning of pull down is demolish a building. Demolish means just खत्म कर देना, गिरा देना. The old structure was pulled down to build a shopping mall. It means that जो पुराना यानी कि स्ट्रक्चर था उसको गिरा कर एक शॉपिंग मॉल बिल्ड किया जाएगा. Second one is, the chief guest expressed his inability to come on that day, so the inauguration of this stadium has been dashed till next week. The chief guest expressed his inability to come on that day, so the inauguration of the stadium was pull off till next week. We put pull off because the pull off meaning is achieve something difficult. The third one is, nobody likes Amir because he dash his friends dash behind their backs. Nobody likes Amir because he runs his friend down behind their backs. What is the meaning of run down? Criticize someone or something often unfairly. It means that जब हम किसी पर क्रिटिसिज्म करते हैं सो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं फ्रेजल वर्ब की उसके अंदर run down. The fourth one is, I realized that the witness statement was valuable for the investigation, so I dash everything he said. I realized that witness statement was valuable for the investigation, so I put down everything he said. What is the meaning of put down? The meaning of put down is record something in writing to criticize. It means that record something in written. The rescue, the fifth one is the rescue seller dashed while talking about their horrifying 6 days alone and at sea. The rescue seller broke down while talking about their horrifying 6 days alone at sea. What is the meaning of breakdown? The meaning of breakdown is stop functioning suddenly. It means that stop doing something. This exercise is N. Now we are moving to our next exercise, which is exercise D. Now come to the page number 73, exercise number D. Question: given below is a list of phrasal verbs with the main verbs. Fill in the blanks with appropriate particles from the box to match the meaning. In the box we have some words and we have to put them in the blanks with the correct meaning of the verb. Now we have some meaning. The meaning is withdraw, fail to keep up with, attack violently, cruel, break up, or disintegrate. Okay, and in our right side we have some words. The first word is out, the second word is back, the third word is apart, and the fourth word is upon, and the fifth one and the last word is behind. Now what we have to do? We have to do that we put these words in the blanks with the correct meaning. Now our first sentence is fall dash withdraw. We put back because fall back means withdraw. Fall back is a phrasal verb and this phrasal verb means withdraw. Then our second one is fall dash fail to keep up with. We put behind in the blank because fall behind means fail to keep up with. Fall behind is a phrasal verb and this phrasal verb means fail to keep up with. The third phrasal verb is fall dash attack violently. We put upon in the blank because fall upon is a phrasal verb and this phrasal verb means attack violently. Then fourth phrasal verb and its meaning is fall dash cruelly, cruel. We put out because fall out this phrasal verb means cruel. Now second and now in the fifth one is fall dash break up or disintegrate. We put apart in the blank because fall apart is a phrasal verb and this phrasal verb means break up or disintegrate. Here is your exercise and now we are moving towards the next exercise. Now come to the page number 74, exercise number F. Question: match the two columns with phrasal verbs and their meanings correctly. In our left side we have some phrasal verbs and in our left side we have some meanings of these phrasal verbs. What we have to do that we have to match these phrasal verbs with their correct meaning. But I have already matched it. The first phrasal verb is let on. What is the meaning of let on? Reveal information or secret. It means to reveal the information or secret to someone else. Now, our second word is let someone down. Disappoint someone or fail to support them when they expect help. It means कि किसी को नाउम्मीद कर देना कि जब वो फेल हो जाए और आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत हो उसे. Now, our third word is let someone off. Excuse someone or punish them very lightly. किसी से माजरत कर लेना और उसे बहुत ही लाइट से पनिश करना, बहुत हार्शली नहीं, उसे बहुत लाइट से पनिश करना. The third one is let oneself in for. Became involved in something unpleasant. Fifth is let up. Lessens or become less intense. Here's your exercise and I hope you like this video, and this chapter is also an by this exercise. Now till then, Allah Hafiz.